this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here. Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right. Extreme noses passes on you, ooh, you're so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your both from across the floor. Noses are nicky like you told David Tilde, hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, put me in Nick.
Fuck! No!
You so musky. Take me home, put me in, make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my widow, baby, tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
What?